Hi viewers, today join me on ETS2 and I got my first lorry. You've probably seen it in the short, but it's a Scania r500 V8. No side pipe, nothing, just completely stock. We're going to be delivering a 9-ton container on the back of a low bed. Let's go. One thing I've had to add to this lorry so I can see more is the interior light. I've added a white one. I probably don't need the lights on now. Oh, I do. Never mind. Check if it's clear. Make sure to ask me if you need any mods. Just drop it in the comments if you need any. I can give you the name of them so you can use them. Like, it can be as little as like AI traffic behaviour, like graphics, or sounds, actual lorries that you can get. Or we're going over the speed limit a bit here. Sorry, I wasn't concentrating. And I knocked the phone holder there. That's not good, is it? This lorry will gradually get being upgraded. Will gradually get upgraded, like a helmet, lights. It'll be nice once it's done. I'm not sure if I should have a splitter or not. I just want to say that bull bars in, is it the Netherlands, have been banned. It's quite sad because they do look nice, but apparently they've been like, yeah, I don't really know, but it's annoying and sad that they have been. I'm sorry for not posting regularly. I've had nothing to post basically. Why is my lorry seeing so much faster? It's not. I'm only doing 42 miles an hour. Why does it seem like I'm absolutely flying? Got like a little glitch going on here. I'm not sure for the next video. It'll obviously be sped up, but like a video, I probably won't speak in it because it'll be sped up, so my voice will just be like blah, 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 blah. But it'll be me driving around the whole of the UK, but on trucking, obviously ETS2. Make sure to go subscribe and go check his videos and go check his channel out. He's trying to hit 100 subscribers. Off the tee, I've probably said his name on there a few times, but I just really want to help him out to get some subscribers because he's got 50. But he's had it for about 2-3 months now, and he's just not gaining any. So make sure to go check him out. Off the T, but it's spelled T-E-E. hopefully soon I will be getting a desk upgrade, so I'm thinking of adding like a cab on top of my desk and like have like a little pull-out tray so I can put my keyboard on it. So up to 50 limit. Why does it seem so fast for 50? Oh, I've done it again. I'm also gonna try a new way of filming. I got this camera for Christmas, and it like clamps. I can clamp it onto my steering wheel. It's like the perfect thing. There's like no lines, or it's not as bad quality as this, so you'll be able to see everything as I can see it. So there'll be like none of them like lines that float around in the sky. Well, see sky on the screen. Yeah, and I just really wanted to make this video because I've not been posting, so I thought I'd post one of these as at least something's posted, isn't it, that you can go and view. I want to make this the most viewed video that I've had. It's slowing down for it. I saw this lorry and I thought I have to buy it. It's the perfect first lorry. So how long have we got now? Oh, 2. Thinking of posting on Tuesday and Friday as well. I've done it again. Yeah, I think I'll start posting on a Tuesday and Friday. So I'm filming this on a Saturday, and it'll be posted on a Tuesday, so yeah. Oh look, it's a cleaner trader in front. I used to work for that. There'll be a lot more videos on this lorry, trust me. I won't just be like doing this and it'll be fully upgraded. I won't be doing that. Make sure to drop in the comments what should the first mod be that I do to this lorry. Should it be a palmet, curtains? Should it be double burners? Should it be a super badge? Like some of them should be town wheels on the bottom. What should it be? Should it be painting my back lights and wing tops? Should it be getting side skirts? There's loads of options out there. You just got to drop them in the comments and I'll know what to do. I'm also thinking of adding a hand gesture to my videos, but I don't know which one. You could also drop that in the comments as well. That'd help me out a lot. I'll also be giving the trader a makeover as well. Putting like boxes on the side painted, new backlights, hopefully a mud flap. We'll be getting fully upgraded. Also, drop in the comments if you want to see what do I do? Beacons in the double burners, so I get double burners with beacons, or just get normal double burners and have the beacons like somewhere else in the grill. Don't know which one to go for. trip's very slow. Oh, my game's glitching. Oh, we're back. This video might slightly be over 15 minutes, I don't know. And I'm also trying to get to 400 subscribers. So, help me out. I just wish this traffic would clear. Taking a long time. Going to Edinburgh. Whoa! Whoa, that was close. See if we can overtake Kalina. Yeah, we'll go straight past him. I think this trailer looks cool with this in the back. This container in the back. I think it looks What's that place there? I don't really... Sorry, that was not my mistake, was it? I can apologise to the driver, but that was not my mistake. He slammed his brakes on. Yeah, come on. Mercedes, you gonna let me over? And Scania. Thank you. Went too wide there. Bit too wide. Anyway, let's carry on with the delivery. We're nearly here now. Just down the road and we'll be here. Never been to Edinburgh. in real life nor on this game. You could hurry up a bit faster than... Oh, my game's doing this bad glitching. Uh-oh. We might not get anywhere. Uh-oh. We're gonna have to... I don't know. Wait for it to sort itself out, I guess. That's the trouble. It's like so much delay. Like, you can't travel any faster because you know you're just gonna crash. Oh, that's it. See? That's crashed. I reckon I've crashed into that pole there. That's what I think I've crashed into. Yeah, I've just gone bang of that. You can't do nothing about it though. It's that cleaner lorry again. Not sure if you can see him, but he just went past in my mirror. Oh, this is bad. But I literally clicked that a minute ago. You just gotta sit here and wait. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. Wait, see, he didn't listen. Oh, Daft's gonna go. What's it doing? Finally, we got it back. That was annoying. Really annoying. Oh, come on, it's doing it again. Oh. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra.